Kane has it. And they'll look to funnel it back. They've got it now into the hands of Taukei'aho. They'll be hard to stop here, the Chiefs. Looking for the first points of the game. Banks coming to help out. Over the line they go. Try. Samasoni Taukei'aho.
First opportunity inside their 22.
Has a charge at the line. Coming for Weber. Forward stacking up away to the left. Arm goes out from the referee. Now they go to the right. Vai over. Tupou Vai scores the second try for the Chiefs.
Oh, he had Stevenson outside him. He was unmarked.
He stopped just a couple of metres short. Chiefs looking to open the scoring in the second half. Getting close. Another go at the line, and I think the ball's been lost, and that was Vai looking for a second.
Okay.
Walker Leaweri, nice pass. Proctor frees it up. This is nice from the Hurricanes, and Morby. Good ground, puts the kick ahead. He's going to win the race. Can he force it? Yes! With a moment of brilliance from Josh Morby. Gives hope to the Hurricanes.
Put it down to that scrum. And the run off.
Seven offside, playing advantage.
Referee's playing advantage here to the Chiefs. More desperate goal line defence.
7-goal killer was offside.
But it's a penalty. Just try and keep the scoreboard ticking over. It's 20-5. Ratima clears it away. McKenzie, well, he ended up passed it to the wrong bloke. Here's Yosso charging away. Intercept try. And the Hurricanes are in again. Braden Yosso.
Out of nothing. He's had an outstanding game. Braden Yosso.
I think that he's got now. Nankivell. Damien McKenzie. Just felt the frustration, full ball there of Salesi Rayasi, but they've come back. It's a penalty. Goalpost swaying around in the wind, but McKenzie is accurate off the tee with some more points. No, they're quite happy. Job done. Back into winning form. Treacherous conditions, but the Chiefs have got it done.
I'm Sean Maloney, and this is Morgan Turinui from Stan Sports Rugby Heaven.
Hit subscribe for your latest rugby highlights on YouTube and start your 7-day trial with Stan Sport. All the rugby action live, ad-free and on demand. Stan
International Sport Club Rugby, we've got it all. Hit subscribe.